In this exercise, we're going to evaluate the indefinite integral of sinθcosθdθ, and I'll demonstrate how to use U-substitution to achieve this. To begin, we want to find the indefinite integral of sinθcosθdθ. To simplify this integral, we'll make a substitution. In this case, we'll let u equal sine theta. And differentiating this with respect to theta, we have du dθ is equal to cos theta. And it follows that du is equal to cos theta dθ. If we now make the substitution where u is equal to sine theta and du is equal to cos theta dθ, our original integral of sine theta cos theta dθ becomes the integral of u du. And using the power rule to evaluate this integral, the integral of u du is equal to 1/2 u squared. And now substituting back in for u, where u is equal to sine theta, we see that the integral of sine theta cos theta dθ is equal to sine squared theta divided by 2 plus a constant of integration c.